Hi everyone, this is Swamp Rabbit, and today I'm playing Bloons TD6 Daily Challenge using no monkey knowledge, and also we won't be using a hero on this map. So if you don't have open yet, if you've not played enough rounds to get open, you can still beat this challenge. I'm going to start off with a sniper on top of the rock, and then I'm going to add the tree stump, and then I'm going to add a second sniper on top of the tree stump. Add a third sniper on top of the tree stump. Okay, now I'm going to start upgrading my first sniper. I'll give it full metal jacket. And then night vision goggles. Then I'll give it shrapnel. Go ahead and upgrade these other snipers to the same way, 1, 2, 0. Sniper on top of the tree stump and upgrade it to 1, 2, 0. And finally I will add the 5th sniper on top of the tree stump. Now you have to fit them very close to each other to make them all fit. And then I'll upgrade this to 1, 2, 0 as well. upgrade it to bouncing bullets. Next, I'm going to upgrade the sniper to supply drop. Should be maybe after this round. So during 41, you can make that upgrade to supply drop, and you want to collect all your supply drops, and then upgrade this one to elite sniper. I'll do the large caliber and then the elite sniper. Okay, I do want to wait for this next supply drop, just like really close. Because when you upgrade to elite, it'll make this timer start all over again. So I'll go ahead and get that supply drop and then upgrade to elite sniper. Okay, then I want to start upgrading these other ones to 240. Now that all my snipers are upgraded to money makers, I am going to add a wizard. And I can't upgrade this wizard the way that I planned. I love the Wizard Lord Phoenix. We can't do that, so instead we're going to make an Archmage, and we'll give a camo ability. Go ahead and upgrade to the Archmage. Shooter. Add it about here. Okay, I will upgrade this bomb shooter to Bloon Crush. Give it faster reload and missile launcher. This particular one. tack shooter here, and I'll upgrade it to tack zone with faster shooting. That's going to mean I'm going to have these guys target camo. Except for the lead sniper. I left the lead sniper not targeting anything specific. Okay, now I'll go ahead and add a super monkey. Let's see what we can do here. Upgraded it to robo monkey, and I'll give it camo. Then I want to upgrade it to tech terror. We'll add the second bomb shooter over here. We'll give it as much range as it can have, and then we'll give it balloon impact. Have some more money, we will add a dark monkey right here towards the beginning, and I'm going to upgrade it all the way to Ultra Juggernaut with camo ability. Go ahead and add a Darling Gunner. It's like my least favorite monkey in the world. Well, there's not really a good place on this map to add him other than on top of the stump, which I don't want to do. And like here. I can lock him right at the entrance. Upgrade, and then make it target independent and give him camo ability. Last money I will spend on my dart monkey, upgrading it to Juggernaut with camo ability. And like that, you can complete the unofficial daily 100 challenge using no monkey knowledge and no hero. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.